Hi! Today, I'll be showing you how to make an international booking using the Echo website. Once you've logged in, click the Book Now button on the top right. Select International Resorts. Specify your desired travel destination, check-in and check-out dates, as well as the number of adults and children that would be traveling, from the relevant drop-down menus. Then, click Search and wait for your options to load. Once loaded, you'll be presented with a list of available resorts. Scroll through, paying close attention to the distance from city centers, resort type, and the available facilities, and select the one that best suits your holiday needs by clicking Select Room. On the next page, you are provided with a detailed summary of the selected resort, including amenities, photos, nearby points of interest, and, most importantly, the room options available to you. Once you've made your selection, click on Book Now. Here, you will need to complete the information of the primary traveler and fill in your payment and billing details. Below are the final terms and conditions with the price summary to the right of the screen. Once reviewed and understood, select the checkboxes and click on Book this hotel. Congratulations, your international booking has now been made.